The vaccination crackdown by Delta Airlines, saying it will charge unvaccinated employees more for their health insurance premiums to cover costs if they get infected with COVID. Transportation correspondent Gio Benitez joins us now from LaGuardia Airport with more on this story. Good morning to you, Gio.
Hey, Amy, good morning to you. Yeah, Delta Airlines says unvaccinated employees will have to pay more for that insurance. They'll get weekly tests, and if they miss work days because of COVID, they may not get paid.
This morning, the cost of COVID getting a whole lot higher, not just physically, but financially too, especially for the unvaccinated. Delta Airlines saying Wednesday that starting November 1st, unvaccinated employees will face a $200 monthly surcharge on their health insurance.
This is not just costing lives, this is costing us financial resources as well.
In fact, Delta's CEO says on average, Delta employees who were hospitalized cost the company $50,000 per person. They were not fully vaccinated.
You're not getting a vaccine really isn't a personal decision. It affects everyone in our society. And for financial purposes, it affects everyone in your insurance pool.
Experts say COVID hospitalization can cost as much as $100,000. So this morning, the question, what will insurance companies cover? Before vaccines were available, many insurance companies waived all costs related to COVID treatment, but now that may not be the case.
If you are hospitalized with COVID, even for, 5 days and you don't need the ICU, you could very well end up with a bill approaching $100,000 and a deductible approaching $5,000-6,000.
Kim's husband spent 3 weeks on a ventilator in January before he could get the vaccine. After going to several rehab facilities, she says they are still waiting on insurance approvals and are facing collection notices for bills coming due now.
I know they need to be paid, but they also, I think, need to have some patience in working with us to try and get these things resolved.
Meanwhile, Delta Airlines tells us this morning that 75% of its employees are already fully vaccinated, but they hope that this new policy will encourage the other 25% to get the vaccine too.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.